Yes, student, attendance, attention please. We are discussing in to draw the guide pillar and guide bush. Just zoom this area with the help of zoom window and mirror these two fillets. MI, enter, select the both object, press the enter, and the mirror line should be here, end point of this line and end point of this line. Then press no nahi, yes, enter. Now the extend these two lines, EX, double enter, sorry, don't extend, and join these two lines, this and this, and this line to be extended to this fillet EX, enter, and extend this line to this fillet only. Now join these two lines, this 1 and 2, and then press enter. These two lines can be joined and extend these two lines. Now both the bush and guide pillar is ready, but join these two lines each other. Again these two lines also be joined and make the end of this fillet here. Just offset this line by 5 mm downward, and again offset by 8 mm downward, and draw a line here with the help of polar method. I said press shift then 2 and put value 15 mm, then shift less than, and value should be 75, enter, then F enter, R enter, 2 enter, and select these two lines, then trim, add this line, and mirror these three objects at the end of this. Now erase this line and draw a line end to end. Now we just trim this line inside the guide pillar and extend this line downward, and also stretch this line by 3 mm downward. This line can be shortened by 27 mm downward, and some groove for oils can be procured in the guide pillar. You just offset this line by 15 mm downward 2 times or 3 times, then offset by 1.5 mm downward the 3 offsetted line, then offset the by 1 mm inside these 2 vertical lines of guide pillar. Then trim all these lines on this PR, single time enter, then select the horizontal line of groove, then press enter, then trim these all lines outside the groove. Now guide pillar is ready, and the center line to be converted by matching this center line. Now we have to draw cutting plane line here, and also draw registering here. First of all, we have to select polyline and then draw a line from here to here. Ctrl Z, place some outside, and then press W enter for the width of this line. The width of this line should be 0.8 starting and ending. Then click a sufficient distance. Again draw a line or copy a line here, and move it some inside, and then press F enter, R enter, 0 enter, and these 2 lines to be joined together. These 2 lines, select first and second, they will join together. Again this line can be joined with this pin. F enter, and again one line, copy this line, enter to this position, enter, then press F enter and select these 2 lines, and also select these 2 lines. Now a line to be drawn or extend this line, EX, double enter to outer boundary. Then this line to be dragged and stretched by 3 mm outside of the plate boundary. Then draw a polyline at the end of this line by a sufficient length the thickness of this line should be 0.8 millimeter. Then again draw a polyline here showing the cutting plane bend. Here also we have to show the cutting plane bend. And here also we have to show cutting plane bend. Here also all the bends are ready. Now we have the position of every object in the mold. The object should be shown half, so trim it on the center line, TR, enter, and the core also be trimmed at the center, and erase the other things. Extend the plate line to the center, and this is now draw the bolt here. You just draw a line from here to the some distance. It must be 30 plus 25, that is 55, and then it is M12 bolt, so we just drag this line, draw this line by 6, and then here and then here. Now offset this line by 1 mm rightward, and then offset this line by 3 mm downward. Now just F enter and join both the line together, then draw a line at the end point of this, and then use polar method at the rate of 10 angle 270 plus 30, which is 300, and 330 at the rate 10 angle 330 270 plus 60, 330, and then F enter and select these two lines, and then mirror MI enter this all, sorry, not mirror, just draw here the head of this offset by 9.5 enter, and sorry, don't offset this one, 9.5, then offset 12.5 upper line downward, then trim it, and erase the reminders, and then continue in the next figure. Thank you.